today's video. I am filming our baby's nursery tour. I'm so excited. I love being in this room and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So yeah, there's not really much for me to say except for please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, so as soon as you walk into her room, you see her hamper, and then this is her little dresser along with the changing tabletop and the changing pad. I did get this from Target and I actually really liked it because of the little like detail it has right there. We also have the matching nightstand, which I currently have in my room since she will be sleeping with us for like the first few months, probably up until maybe like 5 or 6 months. So I do have that, but once we're done and she moves into her room, then I will have that nightstand over here somewhere by her crib. But anyway, so I just have like a changing liner right here, which is supposed to be like waterproof, so that way if she gets this dirty I can just change that and not the whole changing like cover. I actually got this from Amazon and then it came with the pink one too, but I felt like there was a lot of pink going on in the room already, so I decided to put the gray one on there for now. And then in her dresser, I am probably most likely gonna do like an organization nursery video, so I will show you like in depth like how I organized everything. But just quickly, this is her first drawer. This one has pretty much all of her newborn onesies, so I have like long sleeves, short sleeves. These are more like sleepers, and then like sleeping gowns, some swaddles there in the back. And this is mainly newborn. There's a little bit of 0 to 3 of there, like looked a little bit smaller to me. And then it kind of goes on and so forward, like 0 to 3 months, and then 3 to 6 there. And then moving right over here is her little diaper pail, which I most likely will move into her room while she's there as well, because I don't know if her diapers are going to be stinky and I'd rather just use this. So this is the Ubi diaper pail. It's like a steel pail, which I'm so glad we got our hands on, because this one actually just uses regular trash bags. We don't have to get like no fancy ones that go with like the Diaper Genie or the Munchkin one. I think it's on the pricier side, but you also have the advantage of using the just like regular trash bags. So I'm happy we were able to get this. And then here, this actually used to be in my makeup room already. If you guys did not know, this used to be my beauty room. I will maybe put it on the bottom bar how it used to look before, but this is obviously now our baby's nursery. But just up here we have this little frame that was gifted to me from my sister-in-law, and it kind of has just like all the months for the baby. And then I have some little goodies from my other sister-in-law that she gifted the baby, so I thought they looked cute right there. And then these baskets I actually got from Steinmart. It was actually my first time ever. I shopped online for them. I had looked for so many baskets because I wanted like a blush tone one, not like super pink, and I also didn't to be the right size. But I actually would not recommend them again because shipping was expensive, and also they like messed up my order and then they messed it up again. It was just a nightmare. So I'm glad I have them now, but would I do it again? Probably not. But anyway, so in this first basket I have just a whole bunch of diapers. I have like one of those thick like puppy diapers as well, the training pads, just in case there's a blowout. And then some lotion there that's kind of awkwardly placed. I might move that. This one has a whole bunch of wipies. Pretty much it's like full of wipies in here. And then these two are just 2 extra changing liners. And then in this third one we have like mittens and booties in here. I also have them like distributed in our room because again she's sleeping with us for the first few months, so I do have some over there as well, which I might need to just do a separate video, like a little bedside nursery tour. But anyway, so these are her mittens and her booties, and then here are just like extra essentials, so like hand and face wipes, some nail files, the Frida baby nose, what do you call this? This is like it's called a nose Frida, which is like a must, I've heard, since I've had a baby. But yeah, and then opening this up here, I have like burp cloths and bibs in that little basket. I have this Drift stain remover. I figured it was a good idea to have it next to the changing table, just in case she has a blowout, then I could just spray it real quick, and just see how fast I can make it work. And then here I actually have a whole bunch of sterilized pacifiers. I have them in like little baggies for now. I just thought it was best to keep them that way. And then down there we have swaddles, muslin swaddles, and then a couple of thick blankets back there. And yeah, that is this little tower right here. So then moving on over here, I have these shelves from IKEA, which again, they used to actually already be in here because this used to be my makeup room. So obviously the things just changed as far as what I had in the room. But anyway, I have this little cute Instax camera, and then like that little cute fake like potted plant. And then here are just some little really cute booties as well. And then this little frame or picture holder. So it has a clip and it just says all of God's grace in one tiny face. So I can't wait to take a cute picture of her and then just hang it there. And then here we have basically her initials, which are actually the same as mine. And then just a cute booty, some shoes. I can't get over how cute these are. Some more shoes, and then down here some little cute pumpkins. She is due in October, although I feel she might be born before then, but some cute little pumpkins. And then down here I have some really cute cards that were gifted to us during our drive-by baby shower, which I did do a video on. I can link it down below. And then down here I just have one of my purses. I thought it fit well. I used to have it there already, so I kept it there because I love this purse. It matches with the baby's room and I just thought it was cute and girly, so I love that purse. So that's it for these shelves. And then right over here we just have a cute window here, and then some really sheer white curtains. I know I probably will need to switch this out to blackout curtains when she actually sleeps in her room, but for now I think this will do. And then moving on, right here we have her nursery chair, or the nursery chair. Basically it just has a pillow that has her initial on it, which says a V, and then this little itsy bitsy pillow, which I mainly got the pillow for the kids to kind of help them support and hold the baby. Hopefully it helps and it's useful. But yeah, the actual nursery chair we got, I believe, from Walmart. We actually did some research on like one of the best nursery chairs that I wanted to recline but also like rock and be comfortable. So this is the one we ended up choosing. I will put the name of it like right next to the screen, that way you guys can search it if you're interested. And then moving right over here to the side of the room, again I just have like another one of those little fake plants. And then down here I just have a really cute frame that says welcome to the world, and then I just decided to keep the baby that came with the frame for now. But obviously when she's here I'll go ahead and change that out. I just have like a cute pink candle next to that. Here I have a really cute frame, which I'm actually not going to show. I'll show you like the very top, but it does also have her name. But it was a cute gift from one of my friends, and it has a baby's picture. Can you guys see it? It's so pretty. I can't wait to actually show it to everybody. But skipping over that, so down here we have some really cute blocks and some shoes I just put there. But basically it's like meant for like different holidays, for like different weeks she turns, and she can just use these blocks as milestones, but also for holidays. So I thought it was really, really cute, and I got them from Amazon. Down here she has books. Actually, a lot of these books are from her siblings. We had a lot of kids books and like baby books already, so we have all of these for her and for them to read to her. And then down here, just a little cute pair of boots. Aren't they so adorable? My sister gifted me pretty much all of the shoes her daughter used, so that's why I have so many. But I'm planning on this shelf using as the sound machine shelf, but right now again it's in our room because she's going to be there, so probably it'll go there once baby's in here. And again, just another one of my purses that pretty much matched the room and I just love, so I decided to keep there. And then coming right over here, so I'm sorry if the camera lighting has changed. My freaking camera died, and so I had to charge it, and then now the sun has gone down. So anyway, going to this wall here, I actually had these frames up before as well. But I thought this was actually really cute to have in here, this little wind catcher, and it's like right over her crib, which I absolutely love. I do have some things in there that obviously won't be in there when she's actually born and in her crib. But yeah, so this just came with the set, like the comforter set. It's a really cute mobile. I have like a Boppy pillow in here and the Boppy newborn lounger, which obviously once I'm using it, it won't actually be in here. And then there I just have a little cute stuffed animal. It's another unicorn. And then just here we have her camera that I wanted to set up, but we did get the Nanit. I did a lot of research. This is like the one that kind of just stood out to me the most. But yeah, we are going to just put that like right over her crib right here. And then that's just like an extra stand that we can actually take the camera off and then maybe move it somewhere around the house. So anyway, yeah, so this is just there because it needs to go like right here. And then this is another blanket that I got from the baby shower, which I really liked, and I just kind of have it here over the crib. And then here in the corner I just have her diaper bag there for now. So yeah, and then moving right to this wall, this is her closet. I got these little like decals from Dollar Tree, I want to say. And so yeah, that one's just really cute, and then that one says welcome. And then this is her closet. It has all of her clothes besides what I have in her dresser. It's a lot. But up here I just have extra stuff. So that is actually an empty bin. I'm planning on putting like toys once she starts to like have toys. I wanted like a little bin for that, so that's what that is. And then this one I actually have her a lot of like baby bloomers and like little underwear for her. And then this is pretty much all of her clothes. It goes from all the way down there to all the way down her closet, so it's completely full actually. But I did get these little like organizers, and that one says 0 to 3, the next one over there says 3 to 6, and then 6 to 9, and so forth. But yeah, so what I have in the front obviously is like newborn, so I have to put this on her like as soon as she's born and like change her outfits all the freaking time. But yeah, this is a lot of her clothes. And then down here I have some extra baby monitors, and then her high chair. So that is just in there for now. And then a whole bunch of diapers. So I have them like organized by size. So like size 3, size 2, and then she has her size 1s over there. And then I'm just gonna like slide it the other way so you guys can come over here. And then on this side, oops, on this side I have her little Bumbo, and then another Boppy nursing pillow, or like, yeah, that's what it's called. I have two. This one was actually mine, and the other one in the baby's crib was gifted to me, or was given to me by my sister-in-law. So I am planning to take one to the hospital, and then I just thought I would have one like upstairs and downstairs. It'll be helpful. But anyway, that's more of her clothes. Like I said, it goes all the way down there, and then down here is just, like I said, the size 1s, and then these are all wipies. Well, I have some newborn packs there, but these are all wipies in here and in that basket, along with a detergent. And then down there, I'm not really going to show because it's just like extra clothes and stuff that does not fit her right now because it's too big, so I kind of just put it away in that box. But yeah, and then moving right over here, it's just her door. I do have like this like over the door hook organizer, and that up there is just like a couple of newborn props that I have. Hopefully I can use them, get some good pictures of her when she's born for newborn pictures. And then here I just have a couple of thick swaddles, or like the sacks. I think this is like a halo seat. What is it? Yeah, it's like a halo sleep sack swaddle. And I think she'll fit perfectly in, especially like for winter, which is right around the corner. And then a little cute bath robe, which is super cute. And then pretty much all of her bows. So yeah, you guys, that pretty much wraps up this nursery tour. Thank you so much for watching. I am planning, I think, like I said, doing an organization video, kind of just showing you how I actually organize everything. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.